On this side, you got a screw there. So now you just screw it. You drill those little rivets out, and you screw the no door handle, pull handle in, and now the thing's secured. Secured on there, not sticky. So now let's put it all back together. I replaced all my clips too. The ones that were on it. Not that one. Some of them were super, like the seal is super low. I'm wondering if that's causing a couple of rattles. You could barely see the seal on that one, and then look at a new one. New one, see that nice thick jacket. So, hoping it does something, we'll find out. So let's get this back on the car. Now, let's clean this up. Got it all cleaned up. I figured I'd do a quick little video on what I think of the F80 so far. So it's been, like I said, good amount of mileage. We got well over 3,000, I'll say, miles on it. It's been about 3 months too. And so far, guys, like, I'm actually really enjoying it. Can't really compare it to the JZX because it's a completely different car. Way more of like a luxury type car, but it definitely is still a performance car. You could tell, believe it or not, different ride than the JZX spring raid I had. I had 20K front, 10K rear. That car drove like a dream. This car definitely is more stiff, I'll say. But I mean, it's an M car straight out of the box. Usually cars like these are a lot stiffer. We still might do some different suspension, either KWs or maybe Ohlins, just get a better feel for the car. Other than that, guys, like, there's really no issues with the car. I mean, no check engine light, no weird issues. It has some rattles here and there. One thing about these cars, it seems like there's a lot of weird rattles and weird noises that you'll hear that do get frustrating. But I guess it's just one thing that comes with it. So if you do have one of these cars and you got weird rattles too, you're not alone. On the way to the skate park now, little lunch breaks. It's starting to get beautiful out here in the Northeast, so just gonna do a quick little skate sesh on our lunch break just to split the day up. Makes the day go by better. That's it. Little lunch break. Started getting nice out, so I'm trying to get back out. I got fat over the winter, so I'm trying to get back in shape. But also, content will be coming back. Super cool spot, guys. Just wanted to show you guys it. Quick little video for you guys. It's not really much car stuff. I'm sorry, but I don't have anything, but I wanted to get like a little something out. I do love skateboarding. Obviously, I'm not the best, but definitely something I enjoy doing, and a little hesitant on posting it because you always get that mindset of like, oh, people are gonna talk shit because I suck. But hey, I don't really care at this point in my life, so I'm just gonna post it. I hope you guys enjoyed a little breakup from just car stuff. I do like skateboarding, as you guys I said earlier, but I don't know, I thought, why not? Let's see if you guys like it. If you guys don't like it, please let me know, but something to break it up. So you guys just, we got the JZX stuff coming soon. We're just waiting on some other things, some shop space to just clear up. But JZX content, more JZ content, and maybe some more skate content if you guys enjoy it. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'm just trying to get some videos out for you guys. This place is sick. Super cool spot. Peace out, guys.